What is visualization? Types of visualizations and give some example. ChatGPT. Visualization refers to the graphical representation of data and information to facilitate understanding, exploration, and communication of complex information. The goal of visualization is to convert data into a more intuitive and easily comprehensible form, such as charts, graphs, maps, or diagrams. There are many types of visualizations that can be used to represent different types of data and information. Some common types of visualizations and their examples include bar chart, a chart that uses bars to represent data values. Example, a bar chart can be used to compare sales revenue across different regions. Line chart, a chart that uses lines to represent data values over time or other continuous variables. Example, a line chart can be used to show the trend of website traffic over the past year. Scatter plot, a chart that uses dots to represent data values, with one variable plotted on the x-axis and another on the y-axis. Example, a scatter plot can be used to visualize the relationship between a company's advertising spending and its sales revenue. Pie chart, a chart that uses slices of a circle to represent proportions of a whole. Example, a pie chart can be used to show the percentage breakdown of different types of products sold by a company. Heat map, a chart that uses color coding to represent data values in a grid or table. Example, a heat map can be used to visualize the popularity of different product categories across different regions. Tree map, a chart that uses nested rectangles to represent hierarchical data. Example, a tree map can be used to visualize the market share of different companies in a specific industry. Bubble chart, a chart that uses bubbles to represent data values, with one variable plotted on the x-axis, another on the y-axis, and the size of the bubble representing a third variable. Example, a bubble chart can be used to visualize the relationship between a company's market share, revenue, and profitability. Gauge chart, a chart that uses a needle or pointer to indicate a value on a scale. Example, a gauge chart can be used to visualize the progress towards achieving a specific goal, such as a fundraising target. Word cloud, a visualization that displays words in different sizes based on their frequency or importance. Example, a word cloud can be used to visualize the most common keywords used in customer reviews of a product. These are just a few examples of the many types of visualizations that can be used to communicate data and insights effectively. The choice of visualization type depends on the type of data being presented, the message that needs to be conveyed, and the audience that the visualization is intended for.